How to log into WorldRemit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log into WorldRemit account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log into your WorldRemit account, you can do so using the WorldRemit app, or what you can do is you can simply open your browser and go to worldremit.com instead. Before you log in, if you do not have an account, then you can tap the sign up option from the top right corner, or right on the left hand side you'll find a login button if you do have an account. So instead, since we're assuming that you've already have an account and you want to log in, make sure to tap the login button here. As you tap the login button, it is very simple to sign in. All you have to do is, of course, make sure to enter your email and password, check if your password is correct, tap the login button, and then you'll be successfully signed in to your WorldRemit account. That's all it takes to log into WorldRemit. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.